Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So we are in full effect and full swing of my birthday weekend. Keyondra, mom, and I are on our way to the Woodhouse Spa. So we're going to get massages, and then after that we're going to take mom over to Café Lavande because y'all know how much we love that place, and of course we're going to have Lotus coffees. So we're so excited to let her finally try it. And then we have a perfume making class tomorrow, and we have dinner, and like we just have a very full next 3 days, and that I've planned. And I'm so excited about it. Y'all keep watching so that you can see how we enjoy my birthday weekend. Okay, so we finally finished our massages and they were amazing. I will definitely be booking Jasmine at the Woodhouse Spa in Perimeter again. So now we're headed to Café Lavande, and
in 1.2 miles, turn right onto State Route 9.
You guys know we don't always know the directions. So even as many times that we've been out here, but you know, whatever. So we are going to Café Lavande, and we're going to have the Lotus lattes and some treats. So and then after that, we're still trying to decide where we're going to eat at for dinner. But yeah, and then we'll just wrap up the evening. Happy Saturday, everybody. So Keyondra, mom, and I are headed to brunch. We are still celebrating my birthday weekend. And then a little bit later on today, we're going to go to our fragrance class, like fragrance making and education class. So I'm so excited about that one because I've been wanting to kind of learn more about fragrance. And so last night, or yesterday evening, we went to Café Lavande. We took mom to Café Lavande. So mom, what did you think?
It was great. I really enjoyed it. I love the Lotus drink, and it's so quaint and pretty.
So as you guys know, we said that that place was probably mom approved. We haven't reviewed it on Living Noire yet, or on Living Noire yet, but likely we will. But we knew that mom would really love that place because that Lotus latte is literally everything. If you know how to make things like that at home, I would definitely say get that Biscoff butter and make it at home. But yeah, so like I said, we're on our way to brunch. I'm hungry. I'm ready to go to Saints and Council. You guys know we've been here before. We did this on Living Noire. We definitely voted it mom approved. So after eating, we'll probably get mom's update or her opinion on it. So we just left Avalon. We went into Jo Malone and to the Chanel store. Mom got a mascara that I had a little bit ago, and it's like one of the best mascaras.
Lane from left.
We need directions. It's one of the best mascaras I've ever tried, and so I was like, Mom, you should get this, because she's always wanting good mascaras too.
Go past
and so
this light, then at the next one, make a U-turn.
she got her mascara, and then we went into Jo Malone, and
At the light, use the left lane to make a U-turn at West Side Parkway.
yes. So then we got some fragrances. Mom got me Scarlet Poppy for my birthday, so I'm super excited about that. I'll be wearing that tomorrow, and
Make a U-turn, then turn right.
then we're gonna be on our way to Indie House for the fragrance class. Birthday to me. So today is my birthday, and I am officially 39. So I'm so grateful to the Lord that He's allowed me to see 39 years of life. There's so many people who have passed on that we even know, from anything from like a freak accident, car accident, anything like that, to health reasons and things like that. And I'm just grateful to the Lord that I'm in my good health, my right mind, and that He sustained me, and that He's kept me from danger seen and unseen. He's kept my family. I'm just really grateful that He's given us the blessing of long life. 39 is not, that old in the grand scheme of life, but I am just so grateful that I have gotten a chance to see this far, and I know that He is taking me even further on. I thank you guys so much for all of your warm well wishes, your birthday wishes, all of the things. You guys are so kind and so funny. Some of the things that's been said, and I'm just so excited to go and celebrate my birthday with my family, and put on my nice dress, enjoy a nice meal, and come home and rest and relax. Okay, y'all, so Keyondra and I are on our way to get my nail fixed. Y'all, I cannot believe this. Somebody asked on our live on Thursday, they were like saying, I think they were like just speaking to how gracious I was about the other 2 times that my nail broke. I was just in the middle of getting dressed because, we have dinner arrangements, and I actually had to move my plans because I have to go get this nail fixed, and I am a little frustrated because I was in the middle of getting dressed. I think under any other circumstance I'd be fine, but it just randomly snapped basically, and thank God it's not my real nail that broke, it's the gel builder. So I don't know what's going on and like why it's not lasting, and actually a different person did my nails this time. So it's definitely the product, and I'm gonna have to let them know. But thankfully for all of these repairs, they've not charged us. So like, because it's happening like right after I get my nails done, and so they do honor their work, which is a good thing. So I think that's also why I'm not so put out. The inconvenience is going up there, and especially having to move my plans for my birthday, but it's life. it's another, thing. I'm grateful that I'm alive, like I said before, and that's what matters the most. And so I'm about to go get this nail fixed, and then I'm hungry too. So we're gonna go eat and have a good time. So we are back home from dinner tonight, and it was actually really good. I told Mom and Keyondra that if we were doing this restaurant, because this actually was on our list to rate and to do like a review on, but I told them that it would probably be like a we'll tell Mom, not a we have to bring Mom. Mom liked it. She thought that it was really good. Keyondra said it would be one that we didn't have to go to. And I want to go back because I want to go during the day. I set my reservation for 6 o'clock so that it could still be daylight outside and we could enjoy that. But obviously, as you guys know, the nail situation wouldn't allow for that, or because we had to push the reservation back. And so now we're home and I'm about to take my makeup off and stuff like that. So, but I wanted to kind of recap the weekend a little bit with you guys. So we went to the fragrance making class and that was really fun. I really enjoyed it. Actually, there were some things that the instructor mentioned that I already knew. So it's very basic knowledge of fragrance, stuff that you can kind of Google, which you can probably Google pretty much anything, but I thought I was gonna be learning like some like really deeper stuff, but it is a 101 class, so it's a beginner class. And so, but all in all, it was really good. My fragrance turned out amazing. It was really good. I love it. Sandalwood, sea salt, oud, and fig. So good. It's a sweet, like a really sweet and clean scent. So good. And so, we also went to Ruth's Chris. I love Ruth's Chris and I was kind of craving it. So that's where we went the first night, like when Mom came in. Yeah, that was the first night. And then we went to Café Lavande and the movie was pretty good. Mom really loved it. She understands like Downton Abbey. We are not Downton Abbey watchers. So I was kind of lost, but it was pretty good. But yeah, I think my favorite part of the weekend was probably the fragrance making class. I loved my dress. I loved my look. So, I mean, I just loved everything. The dress is by, I think the name of the brand is Ofer. I'll put it in the, either the description or down below so that you guys can know. But yeah, so I'm just going to use Clinique's Take the Day Off to take off my makeup. But I think the part that I probably liked the least, if I had to say a least liked part, it would be the movie. Oh yeah, and the lip color that I'm wearing tonight is Fix on Drama by MAC. It's like this brick kind of shade. Oh, my hands are greasy, so if you can see in there. But yeah, so it's like this brick kind of shade. I love this. I haven't worn this in quite a while, but I've been kind of having the itch to bring back out my lip colors and stuff like that. But yeah, so my least favorite part probably was the movie, and then everything else was really good. And the movie is, you know, just because I haven't been following along with the movie and with the show, so that's why. But I'm glad our mom really enjoyed it. That was like the special part. We did that for her. We went to that for her because, you know, because I like for everybody to have something that they enjoy doing. So yeah, but the views of the restaurant were so good. It was just a nice restaurant. And I want to go, like I said, I want to go back. So I'm going to take this clean skin towel and some micellar water. And so, but yeah, like I said earlier, thank you guys, all of you, for all of the birthday wishes, all of the love that you guys showed, and all the love that you guys show Keyondra and I on the channel. I still have thank yous to give, and I still have my main birthday post on my Instagram to post tonight. They'll already be out. If you're not following Keyondra and I on Instagram, we are Keyondra Lockett, Keyondra, and then Keys to Luxe Life. And we are Jolie X Noire apparel for the brand. But yeah. So now that I have that all off, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face. I'm gonna wash my face off camera. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap up. Guys, thank you so much for watching our videos, for subscribing, for commenting. Don't forget, this video is no different, to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with anyone that you love. Bye guys.